bunch of beer. Thank you. And kind of cool looking place. It's cool. Wow. Let's go too. Okay. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Try it out. Okay, so we're on the corner of Rua de Sancau, and we're going to be going down to this burger place here and trying it out. And check out some of this lighting, it looks pretty cool. So we'll probably put the burger first, and then this will be the one that we'll do later, kind of show you where it's at in the surrounding area. So this is Avenida de Quang Tong, and there's a thing right there. And then that's a hotel right there, Grand Dragon Casino. And then down there is a Kia, it's a brand new building right there. And right here is a presidential, oh there's Yoga Light right there, okay. I was kind of curious about that. And this is our residence. Okay. So let's go check out this burger place, and we'll walk down this street that it's on, and yeah, they're just right there. Okay, so we're gonna try and see what it's like. I don't know what to expect. I saw another YouTuber and they went to this place, but they went to one at a different location. I was a little bit curious about it. So anyways, here's Avenida de Quang Tong. Let's go check out this burger. This will probably be the end of the video though, but let's see how we do this. Okay, let's try it out. 853. Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright. Chiquinha, chiquinha.